Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and also to new subscribers, welcome. So in today's video, I'm just gonna cut to the chase. In today's video, as you can see, my hair is out, which means it's a hair video, and judging by the title, of course, it's a hair video. But I will be doing a protein treatment on my hair, and also kind of like a trim shape. But whatever happens at this point. I don't know what will happen, but I kind of want to get a cut slash trim slash shape, whatever, all that all in one. So I'm gonna be using the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment. This is what I'll be using today. Hopefully it can do, like, this whole pack can do my hair, hopefully, because it's the only one I have. So I'm gonna be doing that. So I'm gonna get my hair washed, even though it doesn't need to be washed as badly, but this says that it should be done on clean hair, so I have to wash my hair. Hopefully it doesn't take forever. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and then come back to you guys. Right now I have in the protein treatment, but I was right, the little pack did not do anything at all. So since I don't have a overhead dryer, I'm gonna have to use my blow dryer and put it on heat and dry my hair. Don't know how long that's gonna take, but I'm gonna have to do it. Then I'm gonna finish off with the balancing moisturizer, and then we can get to the good part. So I washed out the moisturizer, and my hair does feel like it feels okay, it feels normal. I guess we'll see what happens over time. My hair has been breaking, well, not breaking, just like unusual shedding at the ends, and the ends look a bit trashy, so I know that it's time for a trim. Also have their Pro Vitamin leave-in conditioner. I've had this for a while. I just didn't like how it felt on my hair, so I didn't really use it as much, but I guess that's just the protein and whatever that's in it. So I'm gonna put this on my hair and just gonna do my leave-in, my oils, etc., plus the Tresemme heat protectant, heat tamer, and I'm gonna try to speed up this blow drying process because I just don't want to be in my hair all day. I really don't. So I'm gonna try to speed through it. This is the best length, like stretch slash blow dry I can get. I could not get it any more straight than this. Probably my blow dry is just not up to par, but at least it still has a shape from the last time that I did this, and it's still thick. That's always a plus. My hair has taken up the whole screen, so don't mind that. But honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna trim it how I usually trim it or follow a video I saw here on YouTube. I'm not sure, but based on how I want it, I think I may just follow that video, because she did a full 360 kind of cut. And if I can remember the video, then I will link it. But her hair is not as thick as mine, and it was much more straighter than mine. when she actually, because look, the front of my hair is so uneven. This side is shorter than that. Look at that. This side is shorter than this side. So I think I should actually try to do this, like even it out, but it's very much needs to go. But honestly, I'm just gonna go with the flow, and this is fresh. Like I only use the scissors once, and it is hair scissors. I haven't used it on anything else but hair, so this is the second time I'm using it. Then take some from this side. What I'm gonna do is take a little from here. Don't need all that much, and use that piece that I cut as a base, well, not a base, a guide, even though I can hardly see. I think I know where to cut. Right here compared to right here, and even see the opacity right here compared to here, so that's a good indication as well. I'm so tempted to cut do like an actual cut right now, but I'm not. If I'm ever going to do that, I'm definitely gonna find a natural hair salon and do it professionally, because that's just too much on me, and I don't trust myself that much, even though I trust myself to do like everything else with my hair, but like to get an actual cut, I don't think I trust myself. I'm just going with the flow with this cut, honestly. Whatever looks good to me, then that's just how I'm gonna do it, because the aim is to be able to run my fingers through my hair and not to have all those straggly pieces every time when I put my hand in my hair. That's fine. That's fine to me. Okay, like let me just zoom in. Like you can see the opacity right here compared to right here is stringy, and you can see my finger. Like if I put my finger between, like behind this piece right here, you can't see this finger right here. You can't see it. Oh, you can see this one, the little finger. So I hope that explanation helped. I really hope it did.